If you are finding it difficult to manage your customer relationships, keep track of leads, or organize your sales pipeline efficiently, then this guide is exactly what you need. In today's walkthrough, we are going to explore 20 CRM, a powerful platform designed to help you manage customer data, automate workflows, and grow your business in a more structured way. Whether you are handling contacts, tracking interactions, or analyzing performance, this tool brings everything together in one place. So let's get started to learn this platform. Before jumping into the setup process, it is important to understand what makes 20 CRM stand out. This platform is open source and powered by AI, making it a modern solution for managing customer relationships. Some of its main advantages include contact management, sales pipeline tracking, automation tools, and AI-driven insights. In addition to that, it integrates smoothly with tools like Slack, Gmail, and Zapier, which helps create a seamless workflow across different platforms. Another key benefit is its affordability. The platform offers a simple pricing structure, typically around $9 per user per month, and $19 per user per month for organizations, which includes unlimited records, customer objects, and API access, along with priority support and other useful features. If you want to explore it further, you can start with a free trial or even schedule a call for more information. To begin using 20 CRM, head over to the website and click on the Get Started option located in the top right corner. From there, you can sign up using your Google account, which is usually the fastest and easiest method. Once you select your account and continue, you will be presented with two trial options. One option offers a 30-day trial but requires a credit card, while the other provides a 7-day trial without needing any payment details. For simplicity, you can choose the option that does not require a credit card and proceed. After that, the platform will then prompt you to create your workspace. This is where you define your working environment within the CRM. You can upload an image if you want to personalize it and then enter a workspace name. Once done, click Continue. Next, you will be asked to complete your profile by adding your name and, optionally, a profile picture. This helps identify users within the system, especially when working in teams. The next step involves syncing your email and calendar with the CRM. You can connect your Google account or even integrate with Outlook if needed. During this process, you will be asked to choose privacy settings and permissions. It is recommended to allow full access so the platform can sync data properly. Once you select your account and confirm the permissions, the system will complete the integration. After syncing your accounts, you will have the option to invite team members. You can either enter their email addresses directly or share an invitation link through platforms like Slack, WhatsApp, or other communication tools. If you are working alone, you can skip this step and proceed to the dashboard. Once inside the dashboard, you will notice a clean and organized interface. The main dashboard provides quick access to features such as contacts, people, companies, industries, communication preferences, pipelines, tasks, and reports. It also allows you to connect additional tools for better workflow integration. At the top left corner, you will find your workspace settings, where you can switch themes, like if you want to switch to light theme, you do that here. You also have Invite Users or Log Out. Now, at the top left of the screen, there is also a search bar that allows you to find anything quickly, whether it is a contact, pipeline, or integration. Now, if I go my profile again, you will see this setting option. The settings section gives you control over your profile and system preferences. In the profile section, you can update your name, email, password. Now there is experience section, in which you can change interface settings such as theme, time zone, and language. There is also an accounts section that shows all connected services like Google, Microsoft, or other integrations. You can check whether they are properly synced and manage them accordingly. Another useful feature is the block list. This allows you to exclude certain email addresses or domains from syncing. For example, if you receive spam emails or irrelevant messages, you can block them so they do not appear in your CRM. This helps keep your data clean and organized. Then there is Email option. This option also lets users control settings such as which emails are synced, visibility of email content, and whether new contacts should be created from email interactions. The calendar settings also allow control over synchronization preferences, event visibility, and reminders. Now, the general option means this. your workspace. In the workspace settings, you can update your name, change your profile picture, and even delete your workspace if needed. However, the most important section here is the domain. Go ahead and click on Domain. Here, you can add subdomain or custom domain. The platform provides a default subdomain, but you can customize it to match your business name. This makes your workspace look more professional and easier to access. Once your subdomain is ready, open a new tab and paste the domain into your browser's URL bar. After you enter it, you'll be redirected to your 20 CRM website. From there, simply sign in with your Google account to access and continue using your 20 CRM account. Now that your account is set up, the next step is organizing your contacts and leads. First, let's talk about People section. The People section displays all individuals in your CRM system. Each entry includes details such as name, email, company, phone number, and other relevant information. Some contacts may be automatically added through email syncing, but you can edit or remove them as needed. You can also filter and sort contacts based on different criteria such as name, email, or location. This is particularly useful when dealing with large datasets. If you want to add a new contact, simply click on the New Record option and fill in the required details. You can assign them to a company, add contact information, and include any additional notes. The Company section works similarly, but focuses on organizations instead of individuals. You can create new companies, edit existing ones, and link contacts to them. This helps maintain a structured database and makes it easier to manage relationships. Another important feature is Opportunities, which represent potential deals or sales. This section acts as a pipeline, allowing you to track the progress of each deal from start to finish. You can create opportunities by entering details such as value, closing date, and stage. Tasks are another key component of the platform. You can assign tasks to yourself or team members, set deadlines, and track progress. Tasks can be viewed in different formats, including lists and status-based boards. One particularly useful feature is the ability to drag and drop tasks between stages, such as moving them from in progress to completed. This makes task management more visual and efficient. Each task includes details such as description, timeline, and history. The system automatically records updates, so you can track changes over time. This ensures transparency and accountability within your team. The Notes section allows you to add additional information related to contacts, tasks, or opportunities. While notes are similar to tasks, they are mainly used for documentation rather than action items. You can include details, attach files, and even tag team members if needed. The Dashboard section in 20 CRM is the main overview page that provides users with a quick summary of their activities and important CRM data. It displays key information such as recent interactions, upcoming tasks, meetings, and updates related to contacts, companies, and deals. You can also create new dashboard by click on New Dashboard button and then fill the required information. The Workflows section in 20 CRM is used to automate repetitive tasks and processes within the system. It allows users to create rules that trigger specific actions based on certain conditions, such as sending notifications, updating records, or creating tasks automatically. For example, a workflow can be set to assign a follow-up task when a new deal is created, or update the status of a contact after an interaction. You can also create new workflow if you want by clicking on this New Workflow option. Overall, 20 CRM provides a complete overview of your sales process. It helps identify bottlenecks, automate repetitive tasks, and improve efficiency. By using the insights generated by the platform, you can refine your strategies, recognize top performers, and optimize your sales efforts. You can also export reports in different formats for presentations or analysis. In conclusion, 20 CRM is a powerful and user-friendly tool that simplifies customer relationship management. Whether you are a small business owner or part of a larger team, this tool can help you stay organized and improve productivity. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.